To add a page administrator on Facebook, start by logging into your Facebook account and navigating to the page you want to manage. Click on the page title to access the page dashboard. On the page dashboard, click on the settings icon, which is represented by a small gear. This will take you to the page settings. In the page settings, click on the page roles option, which is usually found on the left side of the page. This will take you to the Page Roles Management section. In the Page Roles Management section, click on the Add New Page Admin option. Enter the name or email address of the person you want to add as an administrator. You can choose the role you want to assign to the new admin, which can be either admin, editor, moderator, advertiser, or analyst. Each role has different levels of access and control over the page. Admins have full control over the page. Editors can post and edit content. Moderators can respond to comments. Advertisers can create ads. And analysts can view page insights. Once you have entered the name or email address and chosen the role, click on the Add button to add the new admin. The new admin will receive a notification and will have to accept the invitation to become a page admin. It is essential to note that you can only add someone as a page admin if they have already liked your page. Also, you should only add people you trust as page admins, as they will have access to your page and its content. Best practices for adding page admins include only adding people who need access to the page, regularly reviewing page roles, and removing any admins who no longer need access to the page. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely and effectively add page administrators on Facebook, ensuring that your page is well managed and maintained.